In a separate case brought by Nazima Haq, trading as Golden Fleece Rice Investment, Justice Gina Prasad also ordered that the GRDB pay $308,000 along with interest for supplying rice it has never been paid for. In both cases, the cost of $1 million was imposed against the rice board. While GRDB contended that because they were not paid for the rice by Panama, they are unable to in turn pay the applicants. In support of this contention, they rely on a pay when paid clause in the contract. However, the judge in handing down his ruling found contrary to the contentions held by GRDB, it had a duty to pay under the contract it had with both rice milling companies. The claim brought by the Essequibo Rice Milling Company, Vilvoorden Investment Inc., was for a liquidated sum for the supply of a quantity of rice which was delivered to GRDB for export to Panama. Following GRDB's exportation of the rice to Panama, it had never received any payment. Consequently, the GRDB had not paid its supplier, the applicants. Back in 2022, the applicant instituted proceedings against GRDB, seeking, among other things, the full sum of $77,000, which it said had been owed by GRDB, which had requested that it supply long-grain white rice between August 1 and November 7, 2018. On April 30, 2018, a contract was signed between the government of Panama and the then APNU AFC administration for supplying some 9,000 tons of rice, with the GRDB being the facilitator. Reports indicate that a partial payment was made after the rice was shipped, but the balance, which has now accumulated significant interest, remains outstanding to date. Another contract was signed in 2019, but there is still an outstanding payment. Tiana Cole reporting for the HGP Nightly News.